Hello guys, I'm very excited to present you this new Amazon Kindle Scribe that I've got. As you can see, it's quite slim. It's a very big screen and I like it a lot. As you can see here, it has the power button and the charging port. It uses a USB Type-C and it has these magnets so you can put a protector. When we open it, we can see that we have the home button when you can search any kind of books you are into, your library that it has just your books. In this case I have the Kindle Unlimited subscription, so I have some of those. Here is something that I like a lot. You can have notebooks here in your Kindle Scribe. You can create notebooks and you can also create folders for your notebooks like this one. I have just one notebook in this folder, but eventually I can add more. A feature that I like a lot about this Kindle is that you can press right here and it sends you what you were doing or what you were reading. I was using playing with the notebooks a bit, so I can turn back and here I press it. Let's take another example. I'll open this book. It's opening. If I go out and get into another menu, here on my reading list, for example, I close it once again and it gets me to the page I was reading. So I think it's very practical because sometimes if you're reading a book and you want to take a note, you can exit, look up your notes, see, and then return to the book. So it's quite practical. Make a lot. It's very lightweight, so I like that. You can search for any kind of book you like. You can also modify the brightness. I have it to be set automatically, and the warmth. This is better for when you're reading at night. You can use a little warmth so it doesn't hurt your eyes. So I think it's pretty neat. I like to have like in a 10 mostly. You can also activate the dark mode, that it will change the color scheme to a darker one if you like. Nowadays some people like to use the dark mode in almost everything, and the Kindle, I don't like it that much. I like the white one, but as I'm saying, it's pretty neat. Another feature that I like about the Kindle is that you can send books or PDF archives that you have on your laptop, on your computer, even on your cell phone, and send it via Gmail to a mail that they give you, and it downloads directly to your Kindle. Like right now I have these are the PDF ones, and now as you can see it's starting to download the book and it's ready. You just open it and read what PDF you had, just like you would with a normal book. So I think it's quite nice. You press it here, once again you turn back. I think it's a very nice feature. And another thing that I like, you can get your Kindle books without having to open your computer, directly here on the Kindle store. So that's very nice. As you can see, I can get the Kindle Unlimited and choose any book that I want depending on my choice of books. Here in the home page, it gets you recommendations for based on what you were reading, some genres that you may like. So I think it's one of the best buys I could have made, because I usually read a lot, and I don't like, and I need to take my books with me sometimes. And with the Kindle, I can have many books right in my hands in any second. So I will really recommend it.